In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a person from any photo using the app Snapseed. First of all, just launch the app and you can tap anywhere to import a photo. So I'm just going to import a photo. Once you've imported your photo, it should look something like this. And first of all, you want to head over to Tools. And from here, first thing that you want to do is create a double exposure. So just tap on double exposure. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on useful videos like these. Alright, so now what you have to do is tap on this plus icon to import the same photo. Once you have imported the same photo, as you can see, I have two layers of the same photo. So what I'm going to do now is you want to move the person to the left or the right side of the screen. I'm just going to move slightly to the left like so. And from here you can tap on this icon to increase the opacity, so it will make it disappear like so, and tap on OK. Now after this you want to tap on this revert option to go to view edits, and from here tap on double exposure and tap on this little edit icon to edit it. Now all you have to do is strike your brush to remove this person like so. But if you have made any mistake, you can decrease the exposure to 0 and reset like so. So I'm just going to zoom in a bit and remove the person like so. Once you have done that, as you can see, the person now is removed. Tap on OK. There are a few blemishes left, so I'm just going to use the healing tool to make it right. So I'm just going to use this healing tool right here, and if you use this correctly, your photo should be a normal one. So as you can see, after using the healing tool, the person is now gone, and that's how you can remove any person from a photo using Snapseed. If you have found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.